Hello, my fellow dream chasers and animation aficionados. Do you have a story bursting inside you, ready to leap off the page and onto the screen? A tale so vibrant, so funny, so full of heart that it'll captivate kids worldwide? But this isn't just about the art, it's about the business. We're diving deep into the world of kids animation, uncovering the secrets to not just creating something amazing, but turning that passion into profit. Get ready to learn, hustle, and animate your way to the top. Every masterpiece starts with a spark, an idea that grabs you and refuses to let go. What's the story only you can tell? Who are the characters that'll make kids laugh, gasp, and beg for more? But hold up, before you unleash your inner Spielberg, we need to talk target audience. Who are we creating this masterpiece for? Preschoolers bouncing to catchy tunes, tweens craving adventure and relatable heroes? Knowing your audience is key. Now let's talk education. Sneaking in some learning never hurt anyone. Can your characters teach valuable lessons about friendship, problem solving, or maybe even a bit of science? Educational value can boost your chances of getting picked up by networks, and let's be real, make the world a slightly better place. Remember, originality is king. The animation world's a crowded place, so your concept needs to stand out. What makes your story unique? Is it the animation style, the humor, the diversity of your characters? Find that special something and let it shine. We're talking catchy character designs, worlds bursting with color and imagination, and stories that'll leave them wanting more. But remember, this isn't a one-person show. Building a strong pitch package, maybe even a pilot episode, could be your golden ticket. Think of it as your demo tape, showcasing the magic you're bringing to the table. All right, aspiring animation creators, time to put on our detective hats. Before we release our creations to the world, we need to scope out the competition. What's trending in the world of kids animation? What trends are making waves? Are we talking whimsical fairy tales, action-packed superhero sagas, or maybe something totally out of this world? Next up, let's analyze the competition. Who's excelling in your target demographic? What are they doing right? More importantly, what could they be doing better? Understanding your competition is like having a secret weapon, giving you the edge to create something truly extraordinary. But the real MVPs of market research? The kids themselves. Get feedback from your target audience, whether it's through focus groups, online surveys, or even just chatting with the little ones in your life. Listen to their honest opinions, take notes, and use those insights to refine your masterpiece. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the market, your audience, and the competition, you're setting yourself up for success. Now go forth and succeed. Even solo geniuses need their crew. Building the right team is crucial. We're talking experienced animators who can bring your characters to life, storytellers who weave magic with their words, and sound designers who create immersive soundscapes. Don't be afraid to delegate and trust the experts. Collaboration is key. Seek out artists whose styles resonate with your vision. Do their portfolios scream whimsical wonder or action-packed adventure? Find that perfect match and watch the creative sparks fly. Remember, 2 heads or 10 are often better than 1. Now let's talk budget. Building a team can get pricey, so consider your options wisely. Freelancers offer flexibility, while a dedicated studio brings experience and resources to the table. Weigh the pros and cons, crunch those numbers, and find the perfect balance for your project. And don't forget the power of networking. Attend industry events, connect with fellow creators, and build relationships. You never know who you might meet. Your future animation soulmate could be just around the corner. All right, everyone, it's showtime. Production is where your vision transforms from concept to reality. We're talking animation styles from 2D hand-drawn charm to cutting-edge 3D wizardry. Choose the style that best suits your story and budget, and don't be afraid to get creative. Quality over quantity, everyone. Invest in top-notch animation, even if it means scaling back on certain aspects. Remember, a visually stunning show will captivate audiences and leave a lasting impression. Managing costs is crucial. Create a realistic budget and stick to it like glue. Track your expenses, negotiate with vendors, and explore cost-effective solutions without compromising quality. And let's not forget the magic of technology. Embrace the latest animation software and techniques to streamline your workflow and enhance your visuals. From motion capture to virtual reality, The possibilities are endless. You've poured your heart and soul, and probably a few late-night snacks, into creating animation gold. Now, it's time to share it with the world. Distribution is key. Think streaming giants like Netflix and Hulu, traditional broadcast networks, and even educational platforms. Each avenue has its own audience and potential for success. Crafting a compelling pitch is crucial. This is your chance to sell your show to the decision makers. Highlight what makes your animation special, showcase your characters' personalities, and leave them wanting more. Negotiating deals is like a delicate dance. Understand your worth. Be prepared to walk away if the terms aren't favorable, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced industry professionals. And let's not underestimate the power of social media. Engage with your target audience, build anticipation for your show, and create a buzz online. Social media can be your secret weapon for reaching a wider audience and building a loyal fan base. All right, animation creators, it's time to elevate your efforts and make an impact. Marketing and branding are essential for cutting through the clutter and making your show stand out. Develop a strong brand identity that captures the essence of your animation. Think catchy name, vibrant color palette, and memorable logo. Merchandising is crucial. Everyone loves a good plushie or t-shirt. Explore licensing opportunities to expand your brand and create additional revenue streams. Cross-promotion is key. Partner with brands that align with your target audience and explore opportunities for collaborations, sponsorships, and co-branded merchandise. And let's not forget the power of interactive content. Engage your audience with online games, mobile apps, and social media challenges. The more engaged your audience, the more invested they become in your brand. Now let's talk about the money. Creating a successful animation goes beyond just artistic passion. It's about building a sustainable business. Diversifying your revenue streams is key to long-term success. Ad revenue can be your bread and butter, especially on platforms like YouTube. Optimize your content for monetization, partner with ad networks, and explore sponsorships to maximize your earnings. Subscription models are very popular. If your animation lives on a dedicated platform, consider offering subscription tiers with exclusive content, merchandise discounts, and behind-the-scenes access to entice viewers. Licensing your characters and merchandise can be a goldmine. Think toys, apparel, home goods, and even theme park attractions. The possibilities are endless. And don't underestimate the power of live events. Organize screenings, meet and greets, and even live stage shows to engage your audience and generate additional revenue. Congratulations, my friends, you've launched your animation into the world. But the journey doesn't end there. Feedback is crucial for growth and improvement. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts, listen attentively to their suggestions, and don't be afraid to make changes based on their feedback. Iteration is key. The beauty of animation is that it's never truly finished. Use feedback to refine your characters, storylines, and animation techniques. Embrace the opportunity to continuously improve and evolve your creation. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, participate in online discussions, and foster a sense of belonging among your viewers. Building a strong community around your animation will not only provide valuable feedback, but also create loyal fans who will champion your work. Remember, the animation world is constantly evolving. Stay curious, experiment with new ideas, and never stop learning. The world is your oyster. Let's break down those language barriers and share your animation with a global audience. Translation and dubbing are key. Invest in high-quality translations and voiceovers to make your animation accessible to viewers worldwide. Cultural sensitivity is paramount. Research and understand the cultural nuances of your target markets to ensure your animation resonates with different audiences. Avoid stereotypes, embrace diversity, and celebrate the beauty of different cultures. Localization goes beyond just language. Consider adapting your animation's humor, pacing, and even character designs to appeal to specific cultural preferences. Remember, a global audience means a wider reach, increased brand awareness, and the opportunity to touch the hearts of viewers from all walks of life. Embrace the challenge and watch your animation soar. We've laughed, we've learned, we've unlocked the secrets of animation success. From crafting unforgettable characters to navigating the business side of the industry, you're now equipped to conquer the world one frame at a time. Remember, creating successful animation is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes passion, perseverance, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. So go forth, my fellow animation creators, and make your mark on the world. Let your imagination soar, your stories captivate, and your profits reach for the stars.